All right, guys, tuning in for another YouTube video series here. Sorry, it's been a little while since you've seen us. We've been focusing our attention in some other areas. Been building some other platforms. Make sure to go follow us on TikTok. We've been having some really good success over there. Shout out to Liam, he's been killing it. Still on Instagram, Facebook, all those platforms as well. We're going to start trying to gear back up and doing a few YouTube videos as well, especially when we get some cool projects like this one in. So been extremely blessed and busy. Just been again focusing our attention on some others. So make sure to go follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all those places. TikTok especially, we've got a bunch of cool things going there. So anyways, let's jump right into this video. Got a 2023 F250 here in an azure gray, brand new truck. It's got 400 or 500 miles. Basically got brought to us, just the mileage coming here. To my knowledge, this is one of the first big kits in the country. We've had this thing finished up for a week or so here, just kind of ironing out a few little small details and whatnot. As some of you may know, the 2023s, not only with the a redesign on the front end, some interior redesigns, badging redesign, stuff like that. They also changed some of the suspension parts up. So that was kind of a curveball for some of us guys in the aftermarket world. Stryker did a phenomenal job on fitting this truck up. They changed like the front radius arm, the mounting location, stuff like that. So this truck is got to live from Stryker Off-Road up in Maryville, Tennessee. Great partners of ours. We run on our personal trucks, our shop trucks. I know you guys have seen some of the videos on those. This is a around 15 inches. It's got carbon coilovers, carbon shocks in the back, 4-link traction bars. I mean, it's decked out. Front truss, the HD steering up front, HD track bar. The face plates are matched to the same azure gray on the truck. Liam will get some cool shots of that. I mean, this thing turned out sick. It's got a lot of hype. This thing it looks awesome. The videos don't do it justice. It's huge. I'm 6'10", so if you can tell, it's a pretty big truck. I make everything look small, but again, I'm 6'10", almost 7 foot. So again, for the lift, we've got Stryker Off-Road, 14, 15-inch lift. For wheels, we've got a JTX Raider and a 30 by 16. They're finished in a brushed tinted clear. So unreal, the color combo that works together. The azure gray with that brushed tinted clear, it looks phenomenal. 42 1650 Fury tires, fully paint matched. There's still a couple little odds and ends, little details that need to be done, but built this truck for Adrian at Private Label Designs. He's all the time building these things. I think he's got another one that's supposed to be here in a couple of hours. So looking forward to partnering up with him. And shout out to Adrian. We appreciate the business and the support. He's been phenomenal to work with, very patient while we ironed out some details that we didn't know that we were didn't know we were going to be up against. So somebody's going to get a really sick truck. I think this thing's going to be, I don't want to speak out of term, I don't know for sure. I think this thing's about to be for sale or maybe already for sale. It's going to be at some shows coming up here in the next week or two. So make sure to check out Private Label Designs on Instagram, and probably I'm sure on TikTok and all those places. So if you're interested in the truck, if you want one heck of a truck, make sure to check those guys out. They've got some very sick things coming in the pipelines with Stryker and a few other companies. So make sure to tune in for that. But yeah, check this thing out, man. It turned out sick. We're very stoked with it. Jake worked very hard on this thing. I'm sure Liam will put in some of those clips. Again, you can kind of see the full build series over on TikTok if you want to bounce over there and kind of see how everything progressed and some of the issues and hurdles that we ran into. But yeah, check this thing out. We're super stoked with this thing. tuning in again. We can't thank you enough for the support. If you want to see, some more of this stuff, some of these more in-depth builds, bigger builds, finished product, let us know in the comments kind of what you'd like to see. We're gonna hopefully start, like I said, gearing some of the YouTube back up. But in the meantime, definitely make sure to bounce over there to the TikTok. We release usually a video a day, sometimes a couple of videos a day. Still great quality, like Liam always is doing. So definitely make sure to bounce over there and check that out. As always, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate all the likes, subscribes, all that stuff. So definitely make sure to follow us, and we appreciate everybody.